This is what I'm bringing on my next vacation, and I'm going to Mexico. So I'm excited to show you all of the products I packed in here. This is see-through on both sides, some brushes I'm bringing, and of course I have my toothbrush and toothpaste, and they're all in this containers right here, or more so pouches. So let's get started. So let me show you based on category what I'm packing for my next trip to a tropical place. And this is a Sephora makeup bag, in case you're wondering, and I love it. It came with a bunch of brushes, but I love using this for my traveling makeup kit. So let me take everything out and I'll show you. So I'm gonna start with a couple gadgets here. I have a small face cream that I'm gonna keep in my makeup bag. I'm bringing another bigger cream for the whole family, but this is just quickly to put on their makeup. I have my wet brush. I love this brush so much. This is a mini and I love this color. So I picked one up. I think in pink for my daughter, and this green one, and I think it's just perfect. And I'm gonna bring this nice pear sponge by Co Beauty, and I'm bringing an e.l.f. puff for powder. So these are the small little gadgets that are like non-makeup-y. Let's talk about brows. For brows, I want to bring two products. This Got to Be Glued product, I love this so much. You can use it for brows. It's like a 2-in-1, or you can use it for cleaning up any type of hairs that stick on your face, any type of frizzies. That's what I'm talking about. I love this so much. And I want to have a more tinted product as well that comes with a spoolie. And this is by Benefit, the Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. This is, I think, in the shade 3. No, shade 5. Yeah, this is shade 5. And I'm gonna bring this Gucci sharpener, so I can use this for my lip pencils and for my brow pencil as well. Sunscreens. I have 2 sunscreens. So I have my Madagascar Centella Skin 1004, more like a cream version, and I decided to bring this one, the Roce-Posay Ultra Fluid Lotion. This is an SPF 50, and I'm bringing this because it's tinted. So there's the tint. You can see that this is tinted and this is a non-tinted one, and I want to have a tinted one because if I don't want to wear foundation, like if when I go to the pool, I don't want to wear foundation and I want to wear an SPF, and adding a little bit of tint to the face, I think it's gonna look really nice. So those are my 2 SPFs. On top of this, I have another bag full of SPF for everyone, but these are just in my makeup kit that I'm gonna use in the morning. This was a tough one. I have been playing around with this, and I was thinking of bringing these 2 products, the Urban Decay, the Stay Naked Maniac Hydrating Tinted Glow Hydrator, and the Chanel Le Beige one. The Urban Decay one is in the shade 20 Fair. I've decided to bring this one. I have tried it a couple times. It works really good to just spread it out with your fingers only, and it lasts for 24-hour wear, so it's like a long-lasting skin tint. It has really good ingredients in it, and my Chanel one, it's probably more for the evening. This is more throughout the day if we do something. I don't think I'm gonna use too much since we're just swimming a lot, but I want to have 2 options, so keep it very simple. This one and this one more for the evening. Oh, the Chanel one is in the shade BR12. This is a great product. Okay, very simple. For concealer, I'm bringing my Natasha Denona HY Glam concealer. I could have brought my coffee one. That's a great one as well. I love this one. I can use it kind of like a foundation on my face if I don't want to use any of those 2 foundations. This is in the shade N1, and this is just a great concealer. You can use it as a concealer and foundation, so that's why I love this. A little bit goes a long way, and I wanted to take my favorite with me in case I want to use a concealer. Look how simple I am. For bronzer, I have my Milk Makeup Contour Stick. I use this as a bronzer. This is in the shade Toasted. Yeah, it's a Sculpt stick, and this is not a mini. This is actual its own size. Look how pretty that is. I love this. I love this color on me so much. And then I'm bringing my NARS one because it's more of a product that it has a little bit of sheen to it, I think it's perfect for that bronzy look that you get at the beach. This is in the shade Laguna. It's a small one, and I love that I can probably use this on the eyes as well. It's such a pretty shade. It's more of a, I don't know if you can see the sheen. Let's bring it up closer. There's the sheen. I love it. So these two products I'm bringing for bronzers. Can you believe it? Yes, I think that should be enough. Now check this out. For blushes, I have been loving my Bareback by Nudestix. I want to bring my Terracotta 10 as well, so I will swatch this. This is so good for lips. That's why I'm bringing this, because I can use it on my lips and my cheek. And this is the Terracotta shade, which is more of a bronzy one, bronzy shade. Like, look at that. So I can use this with my bronzer on those days that I want to look a little bit more bronzy, or if I want to have a little bit more of a movie color to my cheek, I can bring this one. It's so pretty, and this is one of my favorite shades. The formula on this, amazing. And this is my favorite color to use on my lips. I love this color on my lips. And here are the shades. I think that this is all I need. More of an orangey bronzy one for those bronzy days, and more of a mauvey one if I want to add a little bit more pink color to my cheek. That's all I'm bringing. Creams. I'm not bringing any powders. For powder, I decided to bring this one. This is a mini. This is by Givenchy in the shade 3. It has those nice peach pink color, and I thought that maybe one of these evenings that I use the nice foundations, probably I would look too glowy, and I don't want that. So this powder is just perfect, and it's small, so that's why I'm bringing this one. For mascara, I'm bringing my Tarte tubing mascara. This is in the shade brown. I did order a black one, so we'll see by the time I leave if I have enough in here. If not, I'll have to get the new one, but I'm just using Tarte Lid Tubing Mascara, and this is just perfect. Look at me for eyes. This is all I'm bringing. No eyeshadow palette, nothing like that. Oh, and this. This is going to be my eye products. I should face them to you guys here. Okay, so I have my YSL Gel Liner Waterproof Eye Pencil. This is in the shade 2, I believe, yes. So it comes with a nice angled brush, so it's like a 2-in-1, and then we have the actual product. It's so beautiful. Let me swatch it here. There you go. Perfect. It's another brown. Then I have my Pat McGrath, and this is the Pat McGrath Labs in the shade Statuesque. This is like eyeshadow, which I think that this in combination with that NARS bronzer, that's all I need for my eyes if I want to use more powder. And then we have my eye tints, my Armani eye tints. We have shade 30M, which is this nice cool tone one. Warm tone is 22M. And then we have this beautiful 67S, more of a shimmery shade for those evenings that I just want to add a little bit of shimmer. I think this is all I need for my eyes, right? I don't need anything else. I have a lot for lips. Let's start with lip liners, because I'm not bringing lipsticks. I think I have one small mini lipstick, but I think that if I have my lip liners, this is all I need, because they act as a lipstick. So I have my Essence in the shade Because I can swatch them. This shade, perfect. Then I have my Essence. These are all long lasting. This is a matte one, and this is in the shade Cinnamon Spice, in case I want more of a brown one. And they're great because they twist. Oh, I hope I didn't break it. No, they twist, so I don't have to worry about sharpening them. Then I have in the shade Rosy Nude. This is by Essence as well. Like, look at all these shades. And I can just fill in my lips and I'm good to go. And I brought my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. And this is in the shade Wherever Walnut. This needs to be sharpened. And then, of course, I'm bringing my Wonderskin Contour Lipliner. This is in the shade Blush. Very long lasting again. Now I just want to bring this because they're easier to travel with than bringing a bunch of lipsticks in these colors. Plus they're also long wear and long lasting, so that's why I'm bringing lip liners. That's a great idea if you guys want to travel and you're a lip person. Just bring your lip liners that last a long time, fill in your lips with this, and you're good to go. You don't need to bring so many lipsticks. And then for lip products, I'm bringing my Laneige one. This is in the shade Berry, just for those dry lip days. I have a mini Hourglass, look how pretty that is, lipstick, just in case. Like, this is a super mini one. Look how pretty that is. That's all I'm saying. Look how pretty that is. So that's coming with me. It's small and it won't take much space, and I have to bring my Dior products. So this is my newest one by Dior. This is the Dior Lip Addict Lip Moisturizer in 001. Love the shade in combination with this blush on the lips. Best combo ever. And I'm bringing my Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm, and this is the Berry one in 006. I love this one so much. So these are the extra lip products I'm bringing. And then of course we cannot forget the Nivea Sun SPF 30. You don't need an expensive one from Sephora. There's all kinds of brands that come up with this lip products. I think the Nivea is just great. It's just perfect for the hot sun. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna fit all this in here. And here it is. Everything fits nicely back in here. And oops, I forgot to add my mascara. And here's another pouch that I'm bringing. So I have a couple of this elastics and scrunchies, a bunch of this that I want to have available for my hair. And then here are the brushes. For brushes, I'm bringing this for my powder. This is the BK Beauty 104 brush, perfect for my Givenchy powder. Then of course I have my Makeup & Mario F4 brush. This is perfect for cream bronzer and cream blush, which I need. I have my Nudestix Blend and Buff, perfect for concealer and my foundation. I have another one that I want to use in case I want to use a different cream product, such as cream blush, and then a fluffy one, which this is probably more for bronzer. Yeah, this is for my the Laguna bronzer, which is the powder one. I have this one, which is good for everything, like good for highlighter. This is the Moda BMX Glow Brush. By the way, this was the Patrick Ta for face brush. This is the Moda Glow BMX brush, great for highlighter and also great for spot concealing. And then for eyes, this is all I have because this is all I need. Some fluffy brushes. This is the BK Beauty 201. This is a BH Cosmetics number 8. I have more of a flat brush if I want to create anything on my more like on the eyelid, and one that's more small fluffy for the bottom lash line. And that's all I need. And they all fit in this travel safety pouch. And this is all done. It's see-through. I can see where everything is. And then I have another one, a small pouch like this, that I have my toothbrush and toothpaste in a Ziploc in this container because I still don't want to get this pouch dirty. And that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this pack with me for my next trip to a tropical place. I think that these products are just perfect for like nice hot weather and still look put together. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it and inspired you to pack less than usual. I hope this is less. It still looks quite big. But anyways, that's it from me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.